Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about app installation on your Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, in this video, I will show you how to install Google Play Store in your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser. So in this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. So after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is log in browser with your Google account, Gmail, and password. Having logged into your Google account, Gmail, and password, next thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right here, go to Google Apps. So click on that, and the next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you have go ahead and click on play, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do here to install this particular Play Store in your window, go ahead and come to the top right here, click on this three spider. Then after click on these three dots, come down below here where you have cast, save, and share, and then you are going to see install page as app right here. So what you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on install page as app, and this is going to come up right here. Install this page as an app. Go ahead and click on install, and in a few seconds you have it successfully installed. So I can go ahead and minimize my browser right here. So here we go. You can see the icon on your Windows PC right here. So each time you want to have access to Google Play Store, so let's go ahead and close this tab. So each time you want to have access to Google Play Store on your Windows, just go ahead and click on this over your mouse onto this icon. Press enter key on your keyboard, and it's going to load up right here. Then from here you can download and install different types of games or apps from this particular section right here and install it on your. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.